Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to see MailBlaze versus MailDroppa, which is the best email marketing platform. Click the links in the description to try MailDroppa and MailBlaze for free. Both MailBlaze and MailDroppa are email marketing platforms, and each has its own set of features, payment method, and characteristics. Here's a general comparison based on information available. For email validation, Bouncer is a great email validation tool, so you can try it out for free without having to enter any credit card information using the link in the description below. First, let us see the feature MailBlaze has. MailBlaze offers a range of features, including email campaign creation, subscriber management, automation workflows, AI-powered tools, and reporting or analytics. Second, we see the ease of use. MailBlaze is designed to be user-friendly, making it suitable for businesses of various sizes. Finally, we see its pricing. MailBlaze's pricing may vary based on factors such as the number of subscribers or the frequency of emails. Here is current price of MailBlaze. Now let us see MailDroppa. First, let us see its feature. MailDroppa provides elevate your email marketing game with MailDroppa, your key to achieving higher performance metrics and better delivery rates. This platform empowers you to attract and retain new subscribers effortlessly. Finally, its price. MailDroppa typically offers a free plan with limited features and affordable pricing for paid plan. Its price range from free version up to $1,000 per month. When deciding between MailBlaze and MailDroppa, consider your specific business requirements, budget constraints, and the features that are essential for your email marketing strategy. Also, check for any updates or changes. Take advantage of trial versions or demos, if available, to get hands-on experience and determine which platform best aligns with your needs. Click the links in the description to try MailDroppa and MailBlaze for free. Thank you for watching.